namin guys. Yun, talagang pagod guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-video doon kasi I am so busy. Kasi ako nga ang secretary guys ng group, and then ako yung pinaka MC doon. So wala talaga akong time na mag-video, kaya ngayon lang ako nag-video guys after our meeting. Pagod. So maganda naman yung meeting namin guys, although we were not able to have this snap election that we wanted, pero guys mayroon na kaming election na formal election for the whole group. Hindi lang president ang papalitan guys, kung hindi lahat from president down. Ganun guys, magkaroon ulit kami ng formal election sa September 12. So we're hoping and praying guys na nawa kami ang lalabas doon sa 15 na board of director guys na pipiliin. So from 15 board of director, doon na mamili kung sinong maging president, vice, secretary, treasurer, auditor, and down to PROs and BOD. Ganun. So we are praying na nawa kami yung kami yung mananalo guys. Kahit sino sa amin na uupo sa anumang posisyon, pero ako guys, I'm sure hindi nila ako bibitawan sa secretary guys, kasi one of the toughest position is the secretary. Dami talagang ginagawa, paperworks, talagang madidrain ang utak mo guys, kasi ikaw yung sabi ko nga, ikaw yung critical thinker, ikaw yung talagang nag-iisip, nangunguna, ganun guys, lalo na sa grupo namin guys. But it's okay, kasi masaya naman ako sa ginagawa ko guys. Kasi I've learned a lot of things, ganun. Akala mo, tapos ka na, natuto ka na, pero marami ka pang matutunan pala sa buhay. Kaya masaya din guys. We are praying again na magkaisa ang aming grupo guys. We will go back into normal, na magkaroon kami ng unity in our group. Yun ang kailangan namin guys, pagmamahalan especially. Yun po ang kailangan namin, yung nagmamahalan tayo sa isa't isa, since we are all seniors na. Wala nang pataasan ng ere guys. Basta mapalitan lang natin yung presidente guys. Yun lang naman ang purpose dapat namin doon guys sa snap election. But they did not grant us an snap election, but they grant us a formal election sa September 12. So it's okay. It's okay for us. Guys, salamat po sa inyo. Magbihis na ako guys, kasi ito yung sinuot ko kanina. We all red kanina. Okay guys, have a nice day. Sarap ng panahon ngayon guys, kasi maganda ang panahon. Bye!